So for our presentation, we are doing it on dreams. So it's by Natalie Teeter, Kyla Osmond, and Chloe Bannister. So now we're going to be learning about what a dream is.
So the idea of what a dream truly is debatable, as everyone's different and everyone has different dreams. It is a mental experience, as a dream happens in the brain during REM sleep. Dreams are also seen to be controversial, as people usually tend to see them as being really exciting and something to be excited about. However, scientifically, they are actually shown to be realistically dull. So the visual imagery or the story that occurs in a person's dream is usually based on past experiences or experiences that they wish to be a part of. So what do people dream about? So dreams can be thought of as really exciting. However, this may be because that people tend to remember their most bizarre dreams and not many of the boring ones. Calvin Hall analyzed 10,000 dreams and came to the conclusion that dreams are not as exciting as they seem and are actually realistically dull. Dreams usually include subjects that are really familiar to the person who is dreaming, such as family or friends or people who they work with. An element of dreams that is seen to be universal for the most part is the fact that dreams are usually from a first-person perspective. Dreams often play upon internal conflicts that an individual may be having in their life. Dreaming is self-centered, as people usually dream about themselves.
So next we're going to learn if events in the real world can affect dream content. A lot of people look at events in their dreams as a variation of reality that may be just as important than events experienced when awake. Domhoff stated, "Dream content in general is continuous with waking conceptions and emotional preoccupations. The spillover of the real world into dreams is called day residue." Have you ever experienced a failure in your alarm clock to awaken you? Sometimes your alarm will appear as a loud engine, siren, or even another alarm in your dream. The incorporation of external stimuli within your dreams demonstrates that people's dream world is not completely separate from their real world. People will still be in control of their dream. This is called lucid dreams. Lucid dreams are dreams in which people can visualize clearly about the situations of waking life and the idea that they are dreaming, yet they are still asleep in the middle of a set dream.
So now we're going to look at why we dream and the theories behind it. First we have Sigmund Freud, and his theory behind why we wish is due to the fulfillment of wishes. So this is when someone tries to make up for things they are lacking in their lives with the best thing possible. If someone, for example, has money problems, the likely dream to occur would be them winning the lottery or finding money. So having money problems, they're fulfilling their wish by not having them anymore. So Freud focused on two types of content. The first one was manifest and the second one was latent. So manifest content is the plot of dream at the surface level, where latent content is the hidden or distinguished meaning of events in the plot. So this is only proven when the knowledge about the person is present. So next we have Rosalind. So the next theory we have is by Rosalind Cartwright, and she created the theory about dreams called problem-solving view. So this is the ability of a person to work through present problems that they are going through in their dreams. There is a connection between what you think about when you're asleep and when you're awake. In this theory, logic and realism doesn't restrict what people dream about. For example, if someone is having problems with their boyfriend daily, their dreams are likely to be about these problems and creative ways to fix these problems. So the last theory we have is by J. Allen Hobson and Robert McCarley. So this is a more scientific view, and it's called the activation synthesis model. So this is basically saying that dreams are side effects, something that is created to make sense of internal signals. So the steps that take place are neurons get fired from the lower brain centers to the cortex. The signals are then synthesized, which is where the dreams are constructed. Emotions aren't as prevalent in this theory compared to others. So which theory is actually right? Well, none of them are for sure, because the purpose of dreams is not known and cannot be tested because of the way dreams take place. We're not actually sure why dreams happen. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. We hope you learned something about dreams and why they take place and the theories behind it.